Here is how to contact Bitget customer support.
To contact Bitget customer support, you need to have their app. So make sure you have the latest version of the app and launch the app. You wait for it to load. So now, if you are signed in, you need to sign out, because this video is for people that are having difficulties to sign in, or people that want to contact their support for any specific issue. So just launch the app and then tap on this earphone, or it's a headset icon. Tap on it and then let's wait for the page to load. So now the page has been loaded. So these are the top question. I haven't received my crypto deposit. Whichever the question might be that you may want to ask them and they want to reach out to their agents, all they have to do is to come down. So you may decide to log in here now, or tap on continue as visitor. This is what I recommend most. Continue as visitor. You might as well give them your email later. So look at it, then tap on this online customer support, online customer service. Tap on it and then wait for the page to load. So let's wait for it. Now the page has been loaded and the bot is already here. Look at it. Support BG bot and Bitget bot. So as you can see, it says hello and welcome to Bitget customer support, blah blah blah. It's just listing out the details of what it can help me to do. So choose whichever one you want. Maybe deposit or withdrawal, trading, identity verification. So whatever the issue might be, account and security. So if you are finding it difficult to log in, or maybe you lost access to your authenticator and you want to find a solution for it, so just choose number 5. So that's what I'll be choosing in this video. So I'll choose 5. Now proceed, and then let's wait for the bot to respond. Let me send this. Don't think it has been sent. Okay, it has been sent. So the bot is thinking. So wait for the right process. This is just the beginning. So as you can see, thank you for choosing the topic account and security. Could you please specify aspect of account security you need assistance with? For example, setting up a PIN, changing password, or dealing with the deposit. So just state what the problem is. So in this video, I'll be saying authenticator not working, something like that. Authenticator not working. And then I'll proceed. Let me send it again and see if it's going to work. It has been sent. So it's thinking. I see that you're experiencing issues with your Google Authenticator. To help provide the correct instrument, could you please confirm if you are able to log into your account using the password? So just choose what the case might be. But for me to talk to a woman now, what I will do is that I will write to the bot and say, transfer me to an agent. Then I'll proceed. I'll send again. It has been sent. So the bot is thinking now. So the bot will transfer me to an agent. So as you can see, no problem at all. What seems to be matter? For example, my deposit hasn't arrived. But could you please provide your email address for us to serve you better? Alright, transfer me to an agent again. Transfer me to an agent. And I'll send again. Sorry, it doesn't seem like an email to me. Okay, that means they said I should provide my email so that they will contact me with it. So I will put my email. Let me say, put my email here. That's my email. Now I'll proceed. So now, as you can see, it's saying waiting for an agent. Waiting for an agent, and one of our agents will be with you as soon as possible. So it doesn't take much time. There's one person ahead of you. So that is it. The agent has connected. So as you can see.
That is all on how to contact Bitget customer support. If you're looking for how to link your Google Authenticator to Bitget, I've made this video on how to link Google Authenticator to Bitget. Watch this video. I've explained the simple step-by-step guide I need to follow to link your Google Authenticator to Bitget. Watch this video and I'll see you in the video.